Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lauren and this is my channel, Naturally Lori, and this is Vlogmas Day 2. So this is definitely a new setup for me. I'm actually in my living room, so I would like to apologize if you hear any background noises. It may vary from TVs, my sister walking around on her iPad, my refrigerator making ice, like so many different variations of noise you could hear. So I would like to apologize for that in advance. But today's video is going to be an unboxing slash review over the hashtag squad goals box from Influenster. Now it's squad goals spelled like GHOULS. It was the box for Halloween, but I kind of put it off. So even though it's supposedly Halloween themed, we're still gonna have this for Vlogmas. So yeah, but as you can see, this is from Influencer. I had the box for a while, so I got a little something right there. Ignore that. But yeah, Influencer hashtag squad goals box. So when you first open it, pull it all the way up. First thing I get is this card, and basically it just shows you right here the hashtag squad goals, and then just tell me how to get my points to have a chance to receive other boxes. And then it also gives me all the information on the products that I want to show y'all today. So the first one that I'm actually going to show y'all is a little different, but it goes with the theme of the box. I feel like it is the Source Naturals wellness formula. It's herbal defense complex tablets. That's what it looks like. So they're pills. So basically what this is a high potency vitamin C and 25 nutrient and herbs make this. It is the complete daily immune system. So basically, it's winter. Well, currently it's fall, but it's going into winter. It's getting really cold outside. So taking these tablets will just boost up your immune system, make you feel better, and so on and so forth. And that's pretty much, the idea behind it. These are tablets, like pills. I'm gonna literally unbox everything for y'all so y'all can see. Are you supposed to take that? But this is what they look like. If you aren't a pill taker, that'll probably be hard for you, but yeah, basically you just take these. It keeps your immune system up. It's a less likely chance of you getting sick, and it's just the perfect thing to add to your daily vitamins or whatnot, so you can stay healthy, won't get sick. You gotta stay healthy out here. This retails for $13.25. If you're interested, in them, they retail for $13.25. And yeah, so hashtag my wellness revolution. Okay. So, I forgot to mention, although I just got started, I only got 3 things in this box, 3 different items. And tell me why I was under the impression that I was going to get so many. I didn't really read what it said. I thought I was going to get so many different things. Turns out that was like what you could get. So my feelings was a little hurt, but I only got 3 things, but I'm gonna show you the rest of it. So the next thing in this box is, it's all packaged up nice and well. I'm gonna unbox this. It is the Wet n Wild Mega Gold Highlighting Powder. It's in the limited edition color, Not Your Basic Witch, and I like the holographic details on it. You see my Christmas? Oh no, you see me. And I actually already used this for a makeup look, so while I'm showing y'all, I'm actually going to have pictures and stuff. I'm gonna try to have pictures pop up. We'll see how that goes. But I actually did a makeup look with this, and as you can see, it's black. So it says it's a highlighter, but I'm gonna swatch it for y'all. See that? And then see that you couldn't use it as no highlighter. It don't matter what your skin shade is. This could never be a highlighter for you. But what I used, what I used it as was an eyeshadow, and since it's black and it kind of shears out once you blend it down, obviously it helps you create a really good smoky eye. And especially since this only retails for $5.99, I feel like it's perfect for beginners, especially if you don't have, you know, those super expensive palettes, but you want to try a smoky eye. I definitely recommend this. So according to Influenster and Wet n Wild, this is a high pigment extreme shimmer highlighter. It has a silky weightless feel that effortlessly adds a multi-dimensional glow. You know what it is? I feel like I can say that I agree with it. I actually did use it. I really did enjoy it, and you can see, you know, my makeup from, you know, right over there. So ideally, I don't know if that edit gonna work, but we'll see. But yeah, and with this, it is the hashtag Wet n Wild X Influencer. Okay, and then lastly, it is the EOS 100% natural organic apricot chapstick. I already opened it, but I'm trying to show y'all what it would look like if you purchased it. So according to EOS, it is you get long-lasting moisture with this all-natural apricot lip balm, which tastes like sweet sun-ripe apricots fresh from the farm, and it retails for $3.29. So y'all know EOS chapsticks are really good chapsticks, like y'all know that, right? So this is what it looks like, and it got the little scent or the flavor or whatever right there. It says apricot. So it's really moisturizing. It does taste like apricots, and it smells like it. Literally smells so good. It smells so good. I really do like this. Y'all know this EOS chapsticks are really good chapsticks. They're just, you know, pretty good. And also, what I really like about EOS, I really love the smell of this. I can wrap my lips with this all day, but I like the shape of it. It's like made perfectly. So like, I look dumb as heck, but it's like you literally rub both of your lips at once. Like, I don't know, I like it. But yeah, y'all know what this is. This is hashtag EOS awesome. I really liked everything I received in this month's hashtag Squad Goals Influencer Vlogs box. Got all of this. Also, let me mention that this Wet n Wild highlighter is cruelty free. And yeah, that's pretty much what came in this box. As I just told y'all, I only received three items, but you know, I like all three. And my makeup look that I came up with, this was super bomb. This is just a really moisturizing chapstick. I really did like it, and I really can't wait to start trying these, especially since it's getting cooler outside. You know, some days it's raining, some days it's cooler, some days it's a little warmer, and you know that can be really hard on your immune system, on your body, and you can be prone to getting sick, like way more often than you typically would. So I'm really excited to try these as well. Oh, also forgot to mention, I received these products free, complimentary from Influencer to try and review on my social media platforms and just give an honest review. So I did receive all of these free. I think you caught the drift, but you got, you know, you gotta say that. So yeah, super bomb box. I'm excited to get this out so I have a chance of getting another one. So I will also have my previous box unboxing links up above in one of these corners, and also down below. Everything that has anything to do with my last box will be linked down below, and also day one of Vlogmas will be linked down below. So pretty much, if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below, share this video with a friend, and subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to get to 200 before the new year. I don't know how realistic that is to get 30 subscribers in 31 days and 1 month. I don't know. I think it's possible. I'm gonna try to upload every day. So just stick with your girl, support me so I can, you know, be motivated to get more videos out. I said this in my previous video, but I plan on having so much different content, but still like hair related stuff as well out this month. So check out my previous video if you didn't already, and I want to see you in my next video, y'all. Bye.